In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you download TradingView desktop application in your system. This will be a short and easy tutorial, so make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Chrome browser and search for TradingView.com. And you will head to this exact same website. Now this is the TradingView official website from where we will download application. To download, tap on More. Then in this download section, tap on Desktop App. Now, there are 3 options to download: for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux users. Obviously, we are Windows users, so we will tap on Download for Windows, and TradingView installation setup will begin to download. It will take a couple of seconds, also depends upon your internet speed. Once downloaded, tap on it. Then press Install and TradingView desktop application will be successfully installed in our system. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.